session 2, we're going to talk about numbers. We're going to present some basics of numbers in session 2.1, including numeric symbols, pronunciation, and digits of numbers. Session 2.2 covers the types of numbers. We're going to introduce how to express and read integers, decimal numbers, fractions, and mixed numbers. And finally, in section 2.3, you will learn how to deal with roots and powers of numbers. Let's start with session 2.1, Number Basics. In this session, we are going to review the numeric symbols first. Then, we're going to introduce the digits of numbers. Let's begin by looking at the numeric symbols. We know that the numbers are made from 10 different numeric symbols. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You are all very familiar with these numeric symbols. But here, I would like to remind you some key points on pronunciation. When we come across the number 5, it is very common for Taiwanese people to pronounce "fi" and skip the consonant "v" in the end of the word, because we don't have the pronunciation "v" in our language. In English, however, it is very important to pronounce the consonant along with the vowel, namely, to pronounce the whole word correctly and clearly. If you just say "fi" and skip the consonant "v" in the end, people may not be able to understand what you say correctly. It may cause confusion. So, the correct way to say 5 is to pronounce 5 instead of "fi." If somebody asks you, in which year did the World War II end? You don't say 1945, but you should say 1945, so that you won't cause any confusion. When you want to clap your hand with somebody, you say, "Give me 5," instead of "Give me 5," so that people won't ignore your invitation because of incorrect pronunciation. Another numeric symbol that requires particular attention is 9. Usually, Taiwanese people skip the consonant "n" in the end of the word and pronounce 9. But this is incorrect. We should pronounce all the vowel and the consonant 9. We should not skip the "n" sound in the end. Otherwise, people may misunderstand what you mean. For example, when you are asked, "In which year were you born?" If you were born in 1989, the pronunciation is not 1989, but you should say, "I was born in 1989. Next, we are going to turn to the digits of numbers. Suppose your height is 175 centimeters. The number 175 has 3 digits. They are 1, 7, and 5. Each is called a digit. So 175 is the 3-digit number. The digit 1 is called the hundredth digit. The digit 7 is called the 10th digit. The digit 5 is called the units digit. The distance between Taipei and New York is 12,519 kilometers. As you can see, this number is composed of 5 digits. Therefore, it is a 5-digit number. To complete this session, here is a question for you to practice. The speed of light is 299,792 kilometers per second. How many digits are there in this number? What is the thousandth digit? So, we finished the basics about numbers. In the next session, we are going to talk about various types of numbers. See you soon!